A soft moonlight bathed Gotham City. As the night grew quiet and still, in a cozy little apartment, Robin, Tim Drake, was feeling quite thrill. "Time for my nightly patrol," he whispered, slipping into his red and black suit. He soared through the city streets, with the wind as his faithful crew. Suddenly, a cry for help rang out from a small alleyway nearby. Robin swooped down with a determined look, wanting to help, come what may. A young girl named Lily was trapped in the grasp of a big, mean cat. With a swift move and a super-fast leap, Robin saved her from her sad fate. "Thank you, Robin," she cried with a smile, as the cat slinked away in defeat. "You are my hero, Robin," she said with delight, as her eyes sparkled like a sweet treat. Robin helped Lily back to her home, where her parents were filled with relief. He waved goodbye with a friendly nod, and continued his night patrol, belief. As he soared through the city again, he felt a sense of pride and joy. For every night, he made a difference. A beacon of hope, a childhood toy. So, Robin, Tim Drake, kept on his mission to protect the people he loved and adored. A nighttime hero, the city's own Robin, guarding them with every chord.